side.
I know the shortcut.
Yeah, he's going into the parking lot over there.
Not there. Got a big parking lot.
That'll be awesome.
You will come back.
Yeah, Dad, you're going down it.
What?
You're going down Southern Plumbing.
Oh boy, there it is.
And here, people.
Doesn't look like anybody's in line to go on that ride.
Oh, it's hot already.
I wonder why.
I know. Is there?
What?
Is there a wave pool?
A wave pool? I don't know.
Yes, 1 acre wave pool.
Does it have like a huge wave?
Don't know. This is a 1 acre wave pool.
Are you recording this?
Hey, cool.
It's called Delta
What?
Wave Pool.
I'm
Study
filming.
icicle.
Whoa, yeah. A lot of water lodge.
Lot
See-
of water. Lot of water.
Lot
Lot of water. Lot of water.
Like I love you,
Oh, look over here, Jen. What? Yeah, I just wanted to see what's here, that's all. They're getting tubes over there, but... Oh, look, they're on the slide. Go.
Oh, Daddy! Oh, no.
I'm not going to be able to bring the camera in here.
No.
I'm going to run back and put it in. Put it away.
Put it away.
Want us to wait for you?
Oh, there's a... No, we will. We'll wait for you, Rick.
All right.